Hey my friends, let's take a walk out to the garden.
Hi puppy dog, hi, you're so cute.
Hey, it's nice to see everybody. As you can tell, that the fertilizer I've been using has really done its job. It is the last day of July. It's July 31st, and the garden is going to town. It looks fantastic. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see if there's anything to pick. You start out looking at the zucchini here, and no fruits yet. Lots of flowers. Plants are absolutely huge. They've had to double in size since last you saw them. The tomatoes, boy, my mystery tomatoes sure really are starting to do something here. The beef masters are looking great. You can see all down the line there's tomatoes. But much to my dismay, the San Marzano got some flowers. Oh, wait. The very first little San Marzano tomatoes are finally starting to fruit. Oh, look, there's more. Look at that. I was starting to get worried that the San Marzanos wouldn't do anything this year, and slowly we have some little fruit starting to pop up, so that's amazing. I apologize for the noise in the background. The people across the street have the lawn care company over. So I have a question for you guys. On my green pepper plants, I have all these little black splotches here. Is that some kind of mold? I was thinking maybe getting some peroxide and mixing it, half and half with water and spraying it and seeing what happens. But as you can see, I do have some peppers that are finally starting to fruit. Truth be told, I'm just really happy to see anything the way this year's been for gardening and farming in the Midwest. Small gains are huge for me. I'm really happy to see anything. So, I mean, how are your guys' stuff doing? Let me know in the comments. Sorry, I forgot where my train of thought was there. My neighbor came out and we started talking for a little bit. Hey, speaking of my neighbor, there's Steve, everybody. Say hi, Steve.
Hi, Steve.
So, like I've mentioned before in videos past, this year was an experiment, and of course it has to be a horrible year for gardening. What I've done in the past, I've just had a few tomato plants and like 2 or 3 peppers, and what I did this year is like the biggest expansion I've ever done, and I was hoping that it would do a lot better than it did. Weather being what it was, it just turned out it is what it is. So I have some some ideas for getting it ready for next year. I mean, once the fall comes and everything gets torn out and whatnot, of course. But what do you guys do for your soil prep? What I'm going to do, as you can see, I have these huge trees. Once the leaves all fall, I'm going to till all the leaves into the soil and let them naturally compost that way. So I'm hoping that will help the soil itself. But other than that, is there any other kind of preparation that you guys do? I'd really like to know, because next year, of course, I want to have it grow out more and be even bigger. So as the gardening grows, the channel can grow, and we can all be a bigger community together. But you know, yeah, like last time I showed what fertilizer I'm using, I'd love to hear what tricks and tips you guys use as well. So please put a comment down and let me know, because I would love to start producing way more fruit than I have. Also, pretty soon what I'm going to start doing is getting ready for fall garden, so I can get some peas in, since they're more cold sensitive. So for that, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some more, get off me bug, put some more chicken wire on the side of the house right there, and get the peas going right there. And they should go pretty quick now, I hope. So I'll be able to get a second crop in for the fall. Well, just a really short video for today. I want to give you guys a quick update and let you know how things are going. So thank you so much for watching. It is a beautiful, beautiful day this July 31st. It's like 78 degrees outside. I'm gonna go get the hose and do some watering, put on my liquifeed, and get some more fertilizer in these guys, and hope they give me some more fruit. So thanks so much for watching. It's a beautiful day. While you're able, let's go garden.